Welcome to Earth Calling, SOS with your host, Earth Dr Reese Halter.
The bloody war against nature is roiling in Africa. Each hour, 24/7, 365, 4 majestic elephants are slaughtered for their ivory tusks. Every 8 hours, 24/7, 365, one magnificent rhino is murdered for its $500,000 horn. Loathsome poachers are annihilating 35,000 elephants each year. At this sickening rate, elephants will be extinct by 2025. And it's even worse for rhinos. There are only 29,000 rhinos left, and since 2007, poaching has accelerated 5,000%. At this deranged rate, rhinos will be extinct by 2020. Organized crime is running this despicable $300 billion a year poaching free-for-all, and it now rivals that of drugs, arms, and human trafficking combined. The only way to slow this hideous ecocide is by stopping the demand from Southeast Asia and China. Please support the life-saving conservation work of the Big Life Foundation and stop rhino poaching. Reporting for Earth Calling SOS, I'm Earth Dr Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.